Okay, well this is Millie. And this is Millie sleeping in the horror dog position. And as you can see, she's very tired. Really, this isn't so bad on the snoring. But she gets going like a little freight train. And as you can hear, it gets louder and louder. And doesn't stop. And even if you move her a little bit, it maybe stops for a second. And then she's back into her deep sleep again, keeping everyone awake in her tracks. Meow meow. She's tired. It's the first day of visiting with Pat and Denny and their dogs. And she's been pretty darn good for being the dog that usually wants to eat everybody. But that's our Millie, snoring away. She's so tired, she hasn't even had snacks with Chloe and I. Okay, say good night.